Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook business login problems, account restrictions step by step clearly. Open a desktop browser and go to business.facebook.com to avoid mobile app limitations. Log in with the correct personal Facebook profile that owns or manages the business assets. If you see a restriction message, click See Details to read exactly what is limited. Open a new tab and visit facebook.com/account quality to check account quality status. Select the affected business account, ad account, or page listed in account quality. Click View Details and note the reason, policy area, and the date of the restriction. Confirm your identity by going to facebook.com/ID and completing any requested steps. Enable two-factor authentication in Settings and Privacy, then Security and Login. Return to Business Settings and verify you have admin access to the Business Manager. In Business Settings, open Users, then People, and confirm your role as admin. In Business Settings, open Accounts, then Pages, and ensure the page is correctly added. In Business Settings, open Accounts, then Add Accounts, and confirm the right ad account is connected. Check Payment Settings in Ads Manager and remove any failed, expired, or suspicious payment methods. Update your billing information and pay any outstanding balance shown in the account. Go to Security Center in Business Settings and review any security alerts or unusual activity. Change your Facebook password immediately if you notice logins from unknown locations. Review connected apps in Settings and remove any tools you do not recognize or no longer use. If the restriction is on advertising, open Ads Manager and review any rejected ads for policy issues. Edit or delete ads that reference prohibited content, misleading claims, or non-compliant landing pages. If you believe it is a mistake, click Request Review in Account Quality and follow the instructions. Write a clear appeal explaining what happened and what changes you made to comply. Upload any requested documents, and make sure the business name matches official records. Keep all communication inside Account Quality or Business Support inbox to avoid scams. Check Support inbox at facebook.com/support to track review updates and messages. Wait for the review result and avoid creating new ad accounts, which can trigger more restrictions. If access is blocked, ask another admin to confirm you in Business Settings and reassign permissions. If you lost admin access, use the Business Help Center to report compromised or inaccessible assets. After access is restored, run a small compliant campaign first to confirm everything works normally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.